Well, today is January 22nd. This is La Push. This is the home of the Quileute people, along with the home of the Wolf Clan. Over there is James Island. Nobody lives there. That's the only island you'll find that is not on the maps. Eh? And there are 3 chiefs that are laid to rest up there. Behind me is what we call the Oceanside Resort. They hardly anybody in there, but anyways, the crow is sitting on a log. But anyways, I am going to sing you a song. Oh wow, look, we got 3 of them. We got 3 crows sitting on a log. Isn't that too cool? Oh, if you want to see me, I guess I'll have to turn the camera around. I'll have to find a place to set the camera, and then I'm going to sing you a song. I hope everybody's doing good today. I guess I should have turned the camera off, but oh well. This here is my coffee. Hey. This is our #1 problem right here, pollution. Hey. Yeah, we pollute ourselves too. Anyways, now there's James Island. I'm gonna go for a walk. Let's grab my stuff. Well, first I'll sing you a song. Can I wake up here? I was up late last night. Oh, there you can see the boats. I don't know if you can see them there, but there are some boats out there. Oh, there goes a crow. I've seen him. There he goes. There he goes. You see him? They're my buddies. I didn't bring no food for them. Oh well. You know, they have a hard time. Animals or critters have a hard time finding something to eat nowadays, too. Isn't she beautiful? James Island. Oh. Way down there, on the other side of the beach, is, we call that the jetty. It's also known, well, the turnaround point is also known as the joint point. And ask me why they call it the joint point. And we got a crow posing for us here. The critter eating. He's hungry, trying to find something to eat, poor guy. Well, good luck to you. Okay. I think that's an eagle coming this way. Is it? Oh, is it 2 of them? Probably eagles. Okay. I'm gonna sing my song for you. I guess I'll put the camera down. I gotta find a place to put the camera down to sing you a song. But doesn't that look pretty out there? Can you believe that? The non-native people. Your guys' government dropped a nuclear bomb into the Pacific Ocean. And we got people out there fighting to keep the water clean and help the animals in the water. Oh look, the ocean's coming up. Glaciers are melting. We won't be here anymore. That's pretty sad, huh?